Everyone, what is up and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, just stumbled across my videos, hello, my name is Ashley and I'm going to be a senior in college in the fall at the University of Rhode Island studying fashion merchandising. In today's video, I'm going to be doing something super exciting. I'm going to be sharing with you guys my everyday makeup routine for back to school and the makeup that I like to wear every single day to class in college. I try to wear as little makeup as possible because I like to let my skin breathe, and honestly, my skin's been really good lately and I don't need a lot of makeup. So yeah, this is makeup that you can wear every day to school, and this video is also exciting because it is a collab with one of my YouTube best friends, Megan. I'll have her channel linked down below. She's so close to 1,000 subscribers, so let's get her there. We make the same content. She's going to be a senior in college at the University of South Carolina, and she's uploading 3 times a week during the months, and she is amazing. I love her so much. Shout out to you, Megan. Yeah, everyone go check out her channel, and if you are coming to my channel from her video, hello, I would love if you guys could stick around and support me. But yeah, without further ado, let's just get on into this makeup routine. Okay, I'm gonna try and make this video as chit chat as possible, so I'm gonna show you guys what I'm starting off with. The foundation that I love to use is this CoverGirl Outlast Stay Fabulous foundation. It's a 3-in-1. It has moisturizer and SPF in it. And then after I put that on, I use my Born This Way Too Faced concealer. And then to set everything, I have had this powder for literally years. The case is broken, but it's my holy grail. It's a Sephora mineral powder. I think I got it on sale at Sephora, and all my friends always ask me, oh my gosh, I can't find it, where is it? And I'm like, sis, I don't know. This morning, I'm having a wonderful morning, you know, sipping my coffee on my laptop, whatever. I still don't have internet because of the hurricane. We just got our power back, but we still don't have internet and Wi-Fi. So to upload for you guys, I'm going to my local food store, and they have free Wi-Fi, and I'm literally sitting outside of the food store uploading. But you gotta do what you gotta do. So yeah, I'm just dabbing this in. But I woke up this morning, logged onto my student portal because our intent to graduate forms are available, and I just wanted to know, check my classes, where they were gonna be, what buildings, you know. The other day I still had 3 in-person classes, and I was excited because obviously I'm a college YouTuber. I want to do as many college week in my life as possible and help any prospective students that are looking to go to the University of Rhode Island and show them what the campus is like that the tours don't show you. That's basically why I started my channel and started taking it seriously. Okay, I'm gonna pause. So I'm just doing 2 dots under my eyes, 2 dots by my nose, a dot right here and a dot right here, and I'm gonna blend that in. With this Too Faced concealer, a little bit goes a long way. As I was saying, I looked at my student portal. All of my classes are online. I don't know how to feel. Obviously, I still signed a lease for my house that I'm going to be living at, so I have to move in. But I'm like, I know it's for everyone's safety. Like, there's a global pandemic. There's so many worse things happening. Like, I'm healthy, I'm safe, I'm happy. But it's just like, it sucks because it's my last year. Obviously, I want to get as much out of college as I can, but there's worse things in the world, so we're just going to stay positive. So everything is set, and I'm going to now go on to my bronzer, blush, and highlight action. This Pineapple Sun bronzer and highlight duo. I really just don't know if it's focusing. This blush is so pink. I love it though. This reminds me of like my dance competition makeup. I'm gonna put a little bit on. I know there's much worse things happening in the world. I just gotta stay positive. I'm still gonna be at URI with all my best friends. I just want to make the best content for you guys, and I don't want like my vlogs to be repetitive. Okay, now I'm going to be using the same bronzer highlight duo and using the highlight. I literally for a second thought I wasn't filming this entire time, but I am. I really don't do anything for my eyes, but I got this yesterday. It's the Lorac. It's like a MAC paint pot basically, and it's in the color Lace. And it's loose, but it's in like a champagne color. I really don't know if you could see because I can't even see. But I'm just gonna put this all over my eyelids with my ring finger. Ooh, it's super glittery. Like I'm gonna have glitter all over my hands. Oh, I love it. I'm so sorry. I really just stink at makeup tutorials, but I'm Beauty by Ashley, for crying out loud. I gotta do some makeup videos. Okay, I feel like for next time, the best thing to do with this is put an eyeshadow on underneath, or like a primer. But yeah, just put that all over my eyelids. And now, I just got this. I'm so excited. It's the One Size liquid eyeliner from Patrick Starr, and we're just gonna be, you know, doing this. Eyeliner is done, guys. Now I'm going to be taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lash Bag Volumizing Mascara. This is a new purchase as well. So pretty. Look at that wand. I love. The last thing, oh, not the last thing. Now we're gonna go into brows. I still use my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in Soft Brown. This is my go-to. I need to get a new one because it's literally so empty. I'm gonna brush out my eyebrows and fill them in. My favorite products, this is just the Laneige Grapefruit Lip Glowy Balm, and I'm just going to be putting this on my lips. Okay, and I'm literally have nowhere to go, so my makeup's done. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Again, make sure to check out Megan's channel, and I will see you all next time with a new video. Oh my god, I love my makeup look.